Hello, this is Corum coming to another video, Genshin Impact. We are on Europe. We're doing the ice dungeon for artifacts. I was looking at one of my favorite characters, Ayaka. Oh man, I already friendship tender? Aw, look at that, the folding fan. Alright, so we just friendship tender. We got that on her, but her artifacts are still kind of brah. Look at this. This is horrible. It's got good energy recharge on it, but shit, I was just wanted energy recharge. I could just get an energy recharge one, but we don't have anything else on her, so we're gonna farm some cryo pieces. I don't think we're getting any new cryo characters. I'm trying to think. I don't think so. But we're going in. This is what we're doing. I'm trying with Diluc. Oh god, this is gonna hurt. Lovely. Someone's smoking outside, killing me. Alright, here we go. Damn. Nice. Goddamn, we got him again. Alright, we killed him off. Let's go get let's go refresh this. Let's get a thing on. Oh, I want to go yell at the person that's smoking. Like, you guys smoke right now. Alright, here we go. Vaporized. Oh, I liked how it staggered back and got even more hits. Oh, damn, man. My thing popped off him, huh? Okay, that doesn't hit hard. I'm not. Okay. Alright, we killed him. How long? Well, we kind of were screwing around. But this dude is he pinned down? What do I got on him? I got the luxurious Sea Lord. But no talents. I got the talents maxed out for my level 888. Artifacts. Let's check. Let's check out our attributes. So, no wonder he's kind of shit. 7285. What artifacts do I even want on Diluc? Diluc build. Let me look that up real quick. Like, should I be building this guy up, or do I even give a shit? Has anyone even done a thing on him? And like, does Lice have a video on him or anything for a while? No one's even got anything on this guy. He sucks that bad. Vape comps. Let's see. Weapons. We don't have any good weapons for him, so that doesn't matter. Yeah, everyone here is saying go fucking Crimson Witch. So I went Crimson Witch on him. Oh, no, this one's saying go Paradise Lost on him. I don't care about the Hyper Bloom shit. Alright, we're out of there. Yeah, artifacts. What do we got on him? Did we get shit on him or something? Like, why is everything just crap? Everything's just crap on him, I guess. Pyro. Oh my god, look at our Pyro Goblet. Alright, let's see what we got for Pyro. God damn it, get the fuck off there. So, our Pyro Goblet is pure shit. It's just energy recharge. Jesus Christ, we have no fucking Pyro Goblets. Okay. We got 3% crit rate. Oh my god, even Yay Mio. Yay, what the fuck's her name? Jesus Christ. She's my favorite character and I don't even know her name. Yay Mio. Yoi Mia. Jesus Christ, I was making her Yay Miko. Oh, I'm tired. It's too early. Or it's too late. It's like 1 in the morning. I'm dying over here. Alright, what did we get here? I gotta stop screwing around. Alright. Well, at least we got 2 ice pieces and a... Look at this defense. And then it hit defense and then crit crit. I will save that, though. That is a good defense piece. We got energy recharge. Nothing else good. Here we go. All right. Okay, he's getting Oh, it didn't even fucking hit that guy. Alright, this is a little better. Man, his flames get recharged quick. Oh, wow. Beat the shit out of him. I'm pretty quick. Minute 12. Yeah, that one's good. Oh, no artifact space left. Alright, let's go see what we got in here. Artifacts. What do we got here? I'm kind of pissed off at Crimson Witch of Flames. Did we get anything that was good? No. This attack. It's all HP and shit. Elemental mastery and shit. Attack, attack. Nope. Attack. Elemental mastery. No, that's pure shit. Cheat. 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 Alright. So we got a crit rate, good energy recharge, crit damage, elemental mastery helmet. Why I did that, I don't know. A lot of crit damage hats. Crit damage hats. Alright. This one's got a, I guess we're just no luck on the crit damage stuff, man. Jesus. I had to, oh, that's why I'm on this stupid fish. Did I go with the, oh yeah, I put it on her though. Let's see how we do. Let's switch this out. We're gonna see how we do on this one. Oh, we had to clear out artifacts space. Alright, let's go. Artifacts. Ice, ice, baby. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, yeah. Give me that ice, baby. Blizzard. That was a weird defense piece we got. Geo damage, hydro, attack, attack. Anemo. Well, we got a crit helmet here, but we don't want crit on this. That's a pretty good defense piece. Damn. Alright. That crit rate is insane. 20. Hey. Alright. So this one's got... Damn, holy shit. That's crazy too. 2, 3, 2 into that. Wait. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go with this one. Let's see how this does. I gotta find some ice characters, man. This is some crazy shit. Crazy. Nice start. I only want to use a couple. We're going to play the crit game. Gotta go until we don't get a crit. Since we're now up to +8, we should be able to clear out our inventory pretty easy and run this. Did we get a crit? We got a crit. Holy shit. Keep going. I gotta get rid of a lot of these gold artifacts, man. They were looking stinky. Oh, yep. See, we're already hitting the... Alright, we hit attack. We're out of there. Alright. Use your original resin... Oh, man. Here we go. Matter of fact, here we go. Anything good? Cryo in the water and so close. But look, I'm telling you, that defense, man, they put that at like 20 goddamn %. 20% chance. There's no way that they don't have that defense at a higher percentage rate than all the other stats for it to be hitting defense twice on a 4-statter. Let's blast off. Alright, yeah, stagger him. 20k, nice. Feel my flaming hook. Alright. Did that go a little better with this weapon? Let's check our stats now. What's our status now? Yeah, see, that's a lot better. 72, 135. What the hell do we do to get... Alright. Almost good. Almost good. And, oh, man, we keep getting so close. No. We will rock you. Got mud on your face, you're a big disgrace. Singing, we will shop you. Gotta go to the shop. We gotta see what we can get. Get to the shop. The shop. Rock on the 24. Do I want to buy some of these? I'm gonna buy one more. Just buy one more. I'm gonna put it in this thing. Get a little bit of love boat. Shiny and new. Shine it. Refine it. We're at 15% now, baby. Yeah. You know you jealous. Yeah, get him. Get him, D-Luke. Oh, man. Missed him. Shit, he did. You suck. D-Luke got the big D. Went to school and he got the big D. Suck it, his giant cook. Alright, we did it. Beat the shit out of him. I dig that sword, though. Has it got like a... Oh, is that just a laser light that slashes through there? I thought it was like the sword was, had a line going through it. Kind of like a key, almost. Like it opened up in the middle. Like a tuning fork, more like. No. Jesus, just no love, man. Can we get it? If not, we're gonna try to upgrade that flower. We're gonna go back to that flower and see how it looks. Get him! Blow him up! Get him! I love how it staggers him. That's so cool. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright, that was a lot of stamina that went into that guy. You know what time it is, though? Flaming Hook! Alright, we got him. We got him, boys. Took that sucker down. No, last roll of the day. How do we do? Give me the goods. Give me the goods. And give me the goods. Nope. Alright, no love tonight. Just me and my palm. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, we got some artifacts. 3 for $1 at Safeway. No, we did not want to do that. We wanted to go here. Thunder, thunder, thundercats. Nope, blizzard, baby. It's all about the slither blizzard. Did we get any? We got some potential these. So we'll definitely hit that. But I think we don't really care because look at that. We got that 14% crit. That is freaking amazing. Maybe it hit the HP once. But this is where our problem was, is all our stupid were crit rate. Like this thing, well, it's 21% crit energy recharge, so we want the energy recharge on her, but we want crit damage usually. No love. Oh, here we go. Oh shit, she's already got a really good, that's a really good piece. This one was kind of turning out to be a good one, but we're going to go with it. Let's see what we get. Will it improve? Will we suck and keep hitting everything but the goods? Here we go. Matter of fact, here we go. Crit damage. Crit damage. Okay. This has already turned into a shit piece. I don't know why I'm continuing. It's pure, unadulterated poo-poo. 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 Yeah, get out of here. It's poo-poo. Alright, what do we got over here? What's this shit? Oh, a little bit of potential. Water set, don't care. Oh shit. Good lord. Alright. Oh wow, we gotta go through a lot of these. Wait, what was this one, stats-wise? Ah, they're all HP and shit. We're good. Did I see a defense piece in there? God damn it. Give me... Alright, there we go. Max EXP reached with all these defense pieces. And blow it up. Alright, there we go. Crit rate damage. So there we go. That was our big piece of the day. We got a crit rate once into there. Not bad. Twice into there, but then twice into attack. So, blark. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back after these messages. Hit that like and subscribe.